Are you staring at that QuickBooks screen, a cold sweat forming, wondering if you accidentally signed up for a secret accounting degree you never knew about? Yeah, you're not alone. I've been there. We've all been there. You've got this powerful piece of software promising to simplify your business finances, but it looks like a spreadsheet on steroids with jargon that sounds like it's straight out of a textbook you definitely skipped in college. Think about it. You're a creative, a small business owner, a freelancer, maybe even a budding entrepreneur. You're passionate about what you do. You're good at what you do. You're not necessarily someone who dreams in debits and credits. You just want to get paid, track your expenses, and avoid a tax audit that'll make your hair fall out. You jumped into QuickBooks because everyone said it's the answer. It's easy, they said. It'll change your life, they said. And then you opened it up, and you're faced with a chart of accounts that looks like it's written in ancient runes, and you're wondering if you accidentally downloaded the professional version instead of the For Dummies edition. So, the burning question, the one that keeps you up at night, the one that makes you hesitant to even click that invoice button. Do you actually need to be a full-fledged, certified, bean-counting accountant to use QuickBooks? Let's be real. The answer is a resounding. It depends, and that's probably not the answer you were looking for. But stick with me, because I'm going to break it down, demystify the jargon, and give you the confidence you need to tackle your business finances, even if the only accounting term you know is money. First, let's address the elephant in the room. QuickBooks is powerful. It's designed to handle complex accounting tasks, and yes, it can be used by professional accountants. But here's the crucial point. It's also designed to be accessible to small business owners who aren't accountants. Think of it like a professional camera. You don't need to be a professional photographer to take amazing pictures. You can use the automatic settings, learn the basics, and still get fantastic results. But if you want to delve into the manual settings, understand aperture and shutter speed, and truly master the art of photography, you'll need to learn more. QuickBooks is similar. You can use the basic features like invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting without needing an accounting degree. You can even set up your chart of accounts with pre-built templates, and QuickBooks will guide you through the process. But, and this is a big but, if you want to understand the intricacies of double-entry bookkeeping, reconcile complex bank statements, or analyze detailed financial reports, you'll need a deeper understanding of accounting principles. Now, let's break down some of the common misconceptions. Misconception 1. QuickBooks requires me to know all the accounting jargon. Not necessarily. QuickBooks uses plain language where possible, and it provides helpful tooltips and explanations for many of the accounting terms. You can also find tons of online resources, tutorials, and even customer support to help you understand the basics. Misconception 2. I need to understand debits and credits to use QuickBooks. While understanding debits and credits is helpful, especially for more complex transactions, QuickBooks automates a lot of the underlying accounting. You can often simply enter your transactions, and QuickBooks will handle the debits and credits behind the scenes. Misconception 3. I need to know how to create financial statements. QuickBooks generates financial statements automatically. You can then customize the reports to fit your needs. You don't need to be a financial analyst to read and understand basic financial statements. Misconception 4. I'll mess up my books if I don't know accounting. This is a valid concern, but QuickBooks has built-in safeguards to help prevent errors. You can also back up your data regularly, and you can always consult with an accountant if you have any questions or concerns. So, how do you know if you need to brush up on your accounting skills? Here are some signs that you might need to learn more about accounting. You're struggling to understand your financial reports. If you're looking at your profit and loss statement and feeling completely lost, it's time to learn more. You're making frequent errors in your data entry. If you're constantly having to correct mistakes, it's a sign that you need to improve your understanding of the accounting process. You're dealing with complex transactions. If your business involves inventory, multiple currencies, or complex financial arrangements, you'll need a deeper understanding of accounting. You want to make informed financial decisions. If you want to use your financial data to make strategic decisions for your business, you'll need to understand the underlying accounting principles. You're terrified of tax season. If the thought of filing your taxes sends shivers down your spine, you need to understand how your books impact your tax liability. Here are some signs that you can probably get by with basic QuickBooks knowledge. Your business is relatively simple. If you have a straightforward business with simple transactions, you can likely manage your finances with basic QuickBooks knowledge. You're willing to learn as you go. If you're open to learning new things and using online resources, you can gradually improve your understanding of QuickBooks. You're comfortable with basic data entry. If you're comfortable entering invoices, expenses, and payments, you can handle the day-to-day tasks in QuickBooks. You're willing to seek help when needed. If you're not afraid to ask for help from QuickBooks support or an accountant when you encounter a problem, you can avoid major errors. Ultimately, the level of accounting knowledge you need depends on the complexity of your business and your comfort level with financial data. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.